I'm back with yet another dinner special recipe called Indian Spice Roast Chicken. So let's start cooking. To begin the recipe, I'm going to make a small chutney. For that, I'll require, first I'm going to add tomatoes, onion, fresh coriander, curd, and red chili paste. So guys, our chutney is ready. Let's start with the marination. For the marination, first I'll transfer chutney into the bowl. Into the chutney, I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, chopped green chili, chopped red chili, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, homemade garam masala, and kitchen king masala. Lemon juice, freshly chopped coriander, kasuri methi, and next into it, to bind the marination, I'm going to add chickpea flour. And last, to add smokiness to the marination, I'm going to add mustard oil. Now we'll start mixing them all together. And lastly, into the marination, I'm going to add some salt. And last, black pepper. Give one final mix. Before putting the marination, make sure you put gashes in the chicken. Now we'll do the scoring in the chicken. Also make sure to put gashes on the leg as well as the thigh. Now we'll pour in the marination. Massage the chicken nicely in the marination. Let the marination go deep within the gashes. The chicken is properly marinated. It's time to add some garlic powder in the chicken cavity. Now let's place the chicken on the baking tray. After placing the whole chicken, I'll put the vegetables for the sides. Some tomatoes, cauliflower florets, French beans, some carrots, both green and yellow zucchini, and sliced onion rings. Now we season the vegetables. For that, first I'm going to drizzle some salt, little oil, black pepper, and last, little marination on the vegetables. Now we'll put the chicken for roasting for at least 30 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. So there you go guys, our Indian Spice Roast Chicken is now ready. You also do try the recipe and do let me know how it turned out. This is Chef Prateek signing off. Take care and goodbye.